for leather. For today's demonstration, we will be doing this leather jacket. You may need to mix various Costa Brava basic colors to produce your specific color, but in this case, we don't need to, since it is available in black. Shake the urad jar vigorously until it liquefies and put about 2 tablespoons of urad in your bowl. Now add about the same quantity of dye and about the same quantity of tenderly. Finally, add about 1 teaspoon of the liquid oil. Perform a test in an inconspicuous area, let it dry and inspect the result, and if needed, adjust the recipe. Here are a few tips of possible adjustment examples. If it looks dull, add more urad. If the leather seems too stiff, add more tenderly. And if the color was not restored, add more dye or apply a second coat. Proceed with the application only once you are satisfied with your test. Now I'm satisfied and all set, so let's do it. Start with the inside of the jacket, and before turning the jacket over, make sure it is dry enough to not rub off on the lining. Finish off the jacket by doing one patch of leather completely, one after the other. You don't need to rub hard. It usually works best when applied pretty swiftly. Some parts may be much more worn out, for example the sleeves or the shoulders, because of handbag or backpack rubbing. You can apply pure Costa Brava dye to the very damaged spot. And with the restoration mix, go over it again right away and finish off the whole leather patch to even it all out. One coat is usually enough, but if it is necessary, wait about 45 minutes before applying a second coat. When the color restoration is done, apply Sahara Protector. Simply spray it and leave it to dry for about 8 hours without moving the leather. All in all, it takes about